Good morning and Jain students. Now this is the second video of the same chapter stepwise thinking about encoding and decoding. Encoding is a process to convert information into set of letters, numbers and symbols. Symbols in the form of a code so that we can keep it a secret. Encoding is done according to a defined set of rules. Means what is the encoding? Encoding is a process which we use for hide any information. It can be in the form of letter, number, symbols, so that we can our information secret. Encoding is defined according to the rules. And what is decoding? Decoding means converting encode message back into the original forms. This helps us to understand its true hidden meaning. Means whatever encoding is given to us, we have to change it we have to decode it in the original form. It means in simple language we can say if we have to break any encoding is called decoding. To give its original form to any product, any name is called decoding. There are three types of simple encoding techniques. Some simple encoding techniques are: first is reverse the words code. In this method, you can encode a word by writing the original words reverse order. Suppose this is a pen. Pen, what will be the reverse form of the pen? NEP. NEP. Then boy, what will be the reverse? YOB. So the third one is read. Read का क्या होगा? Dare. So suppose there is another word is ball. Then what will be the reverse? LLAB. So this is the technique of reverse word code. Now next is number swap code. All the letters in this alphabet are assigned number according to their position in the alphabet, either in ascending or descending order. मतलब ये ascending भी हो सकता है, descending भी हो सकता है. In number of the swap encoding method, we swap the correspondence letter with the number of assigned to them. Suppose A1, B2, there are 26 alphabet letters and the 1, 2, 3 is given for the every alphabet. So suppose your name is Rahul. So for Rahul, first word will be, for R there is a 18. A1, H 8, U, what will be the U? 21, and L for 12. This is the code word for Rahul. So simple as given in their book also. Now let's see the encode the word friend. What is the F? F is the letter of 6. R 18, I 9, E 5, N 14 and D is the 4. So the friend code is 6 18 9 5 4 14 4. Let's now try to encode the word home using the same method. This is the H. H means 8 alphabet number. O alphabet number 15. M alphabet number 13. E alphabet number 5. So this is the code for the word home. 8-15-13-5. This is the method of number swap code. Now we will discuss the third method, Caesar cipher code. This is the third and the last technique. This is also the simplest method in which each letter substitute another letter in text or at some fixed number of the place down of the alphabet. In this method, we can skip one word, we can skip two words, we can skip three words. It depends upon you, whatever want to write. In your book, it is given only skip one letter. AIM, aim. skip B, then we put the C, I, skip J, we put the K, M, skip the N, we put the O. Yani here for writing the M, we have to skip only one letter. Note, in scissor cipher method, we can get the code either by shifting the letter right or left by some number of places.